PR practice mountain. So it comes in this pack. In the pack, you get chest, separate with the head, and a set of several lumps. So we've picked out one now. We are going to start assembling from the chest, going up to the head. So first is assemble from there. You have the central point marked together with this thread, like this. Then you close up. You can see some feedback lights here. We're going to finalize that at the end. Make sure you lock. And come to the head. So the head is the tricky part here. So you have to remove the head. This clockwise, like this. Left with the half of the head. Now the head contains some spring at the forehead, so make sure this spring doesn't jump out. We want to assemble this at the front part. Need to also remove this one. And just pull this up like this. Like that. Assemble the lungs like that. Then turn this part here. And this part here. Like that. Very nice. And to pick the head, make sure you're going to peel off the mask. Peel off the mask kidogo. So just slowly, gently peel off the mask. Very gentle with it. There you go. Going to assemble it. This part, the two corners. This other half potato remember the casturing hapa kwa kichwa. So vinaingia na hivi. This piece. This. Okay. At this point you can now reattach the head at this central point so far. Attach the head now. Very nice. And these parts, make sure they are not tangled. And so that. How these corners of this part. Make sure that the mask is the lungs are well attached to the mouth or to the face. Like that. It's good. This back like this one. Good. It's a easy little face. That much. And you touch the head. Touch the head. Good. Then the final part is the feedback mechanism, which is powered by two AA 1.5 volts batteries. So you release that. Let's wait for it. Then you put the two batteries. This is a negative, this is a positive. So you're going to have two batteries powering this whole feedback mechanism. Quite easy to use. Batteries. The first one, second one. Note that it is going to show you this. Okay, so once you put the batteries there, just take off here. It's going to show that it's now ready for use. Make sure you close the lid. Close the lid like that. Good. But now it's ready for feedback. Now, as long as the red dot is beeping, that shows that our patient kidogo ako like this. This is the one thing I love about this. Once you've located the center of the chest, position your arms. As you press down, it is going to give you some mechanism here. Okay. Sure. Need to make sure that this current is on. Let's go. So we are going to start. The moment you give a good compression, it's going to give you a feedback here. So see? So if I go too fast, it's going to indicate that I'm going too fast. See? The orange right here. So let's go. I put the compression the right way. I'm only getting too close. So if you're doing that here, now see what happens if I stop. It's going to show me that my casualty is deteriorating. Another thing, now the airway, you said something like simple as opening the airway. So if I give a rescue breath without opening the airway, the air will not get to the lungs. Like I wish I had that. So if you give respiration like this, you don't get any feedback, but you see, open the airway. I don't have a good seal, right? Hey, be one of my most challenging, humbling moments. I think this is quite big for the face. Now this one, one challenge with this, you cannot like effectively practice with the adult BBM. See, let's see the C and the L. See? You're not getting so I'm actually not getting a good